everyone, welcome to my channel. How you all doing? Today I'll be sharing a recipe on how to make this yummy yam and sweet potato porridge. This yam and sweet potato porridge is super simple to make and is the second recipe in our super simple recipe series. The first recipe was catfish pepper soup and it's also available on the channel. You should check it out. Okay. For this recipe, you need some Scotch bonnet peppers, also known as rodo in Nigeria, stock flakes and crayfish powder, tomato pepper mix. How to make this tomato pepper mix is in the description box. Yam, sweet potatoes and onions, seasoning cube and cayenne pepper, and some palm oil. Firstly, you peel and cut your yam and sweet potatoes into smaller pieces, then you wash it. I remember an experience I had with yam while making yam potatoes a while back. The yam would not soften up. I cooked it for a very long time and the yam would not soften up. It was a disaster. One tip while making yam porridge is to ensure that your yam is a good yam and it softens up easily, because if your yam is not a good yam, it's going to stress you and your porridge is not going to turn out nice. So ensure your yam is a good yam and it softens up easily. I still don't know how to get a good yam. Sometimes I'm lucky, sometimes I'm not. If you have tips on how to get a good yam, kindly drop in the comment section. We'd love to learn from you. Add some palm oil to a pot and allow it to heat up for a few seconds. Add some onions and fry the onion for a few minutes. Allow the onion to be properly fried. This ensures that the porridge has a better depth of flavor and it's tastier. Add the tomato pepper mix and fry for a few minutes until all the water is dried. Fry it properly. Add enough water to cook the yam and the potatoes. Add the yam and the potatoes. Cover and allow to cook until the yam and potatoes is soft. Our yam and sweet potato porridge is almost ready. Mash the yam and potatoes to your taste. I like mine mashed but not too mashed, just in between. You can either choose to mash it a bit or mash everything, but I prefer it when I can still eat pieces of yam in the porridge. Our yam and sweet potato porridge is ready. That was so easy to make. Are you going to be trying out this recipe? Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, like, turn on the notification and subscribe for more recipes like this, and most importantly, share with your family and friends and everyone around you. Remember, everyone deserves a treat.